I will share my few ideas for software integration. This will help tools your freight forwarding software. Software integration. Why we need to go for software integration, and what is software integration? Today, no system can work alone. It has have the capability to push or pull data between the application. This will reduce your man hours and provide better data accuracy, and it will improve your productivity at work. Why we go for software integration? The world is big and so are the data. Integration software offers a way to connect those worlds and make the process much easier. In today's technology driven world, and particularly in the aftermath of the pandemic, it is hard to imagine a single business entity working on its terms without any automation and connection to other data banks or database of different kinds. Integration software helps to automate your business workflow and eliminate your manual tasks. It improves your efficiency and accuracy of the work process and enable easy data sharing within the organization. A few more reasons to use the integration software. Using the integration software facilities data accessibility. A well integrated software improved your connectivity leads better communication among teams. It increases productivity and allows employee to spend more time on crucial tasks. For business growth, utilizing software integration eliminate repetitive tasks and consequently reduce unnecessary costs. You can view relevant data in real time, improve the value of your analytical and performance reports. So API integration, mainly the API integration use the ports, so import, export, IGM, CGM. So there are so many EDIs. The employees making the small mistake, that is will make the biggest impact. So API integration, it will help to avoid this human errors. So API integration mainly used for ports, customs and government authority and carrier, agent EDI, vendor portal, corporate customers and warehouses. An automated cargo scanning system. So one of our customer biggest pain points was spending a huge amount of man hours to measuring the volume, cargo volume and weight. We introduced our automated measuring system and integrated with our ERP. It saved 80% of man hours and increased 60% of cargo measuring process. So no need to go for measuring the manual. The automatic cargo measuring system capturing the weight, volume, dimension, detail, everything, and increase the warehouse productivity. Next, go for the API integration with WhatsApp. We can use this WhatsApp integration to send the shipment status and update the customer. We can use send document sharing via invoices, arrival notice, booking confirmation, extra. Jot puts are using automate cargo, automate your customer request. API integration with mobile app. Today, mobile app integration provides with innovative ways to work efficiently and give the option to utilizing your complete infrastructure behind your applications. We can manage our day-to-day activities by using a mobile app. For example, customer call, follow-up, the leads generation list, customer outstanding. So everything we can manage it in the single mobile application. Fresa Technology is also developing the mobile applications for sales, tracking, accounts and modules applications, etc. We support the Fresa support the file formats of JSON, XML, EDFACT, CSV, QR code, REST and FTP file formats. The intercompany and the inter-branch data transfer. Why we need to go for this data? If you are using the multiple entities located multiple countries, in the intercompany or interbranch data can be transferred via API. This will help to reduce the data entry time and manpower to increase the productivity and the data accuracy. Some sample integrations we have done in our application. Under new e-invoicing system, all business to business and will get electronically authenticated by GSTN. All businesses will continue generate on the invoices on their respective ERP, and we have done integration for various countries including India. Some of our sample integrations of e-invoice India GST portal and also other countries like Saudi Arabia, Vietnam, Tanzania, Oman Bayan integration, EC cargo integration, AMS, AFR integration, K4, K5 integration with Malaysia, origin agent to destination agent data transfer, RED request integrations, and finally the benefits for software integration. So simplified decision making, increased productivity and better data flow, increase the data simplification, improved data accessibility. So main is error reduction, a 360-degree view of customer information, faster business process and improved efficiency across the teams, more flexibility and scalability, and improved your security and reduced the company cost. These are the main reasons we need to go for the software integration. Thank you. Thank you for your giving the wonderful opportunity. Thank you.